Right, assalamu alaikum everyone. Hey, very quickly, can you just like this video to tell YouTube that this is a very good video regarding BONK, because I'm helping you so much with the video, and I want to show you that we started back 9 days ago, and I know people don't like to listen to this, but 9 days ago I was telling you that there's alert 33% move incoming. Okay, so if you're new, do make sure you subscribe to the channel, otherwise you may never see this channel again. And if you don't subscribe, guys, I'm going to RKO you. Okay, now here's the thing, so let's just go back a little bit to history. Down right over here, after some few days we went to the technical target, pretty much played out. Now BONK, let's talk about BONK, and let's see if you can win a trade for BONK, which is a nearly another 33% move to the downside. So basically you have an opportunity of $330 or saving $33% all the way to the downside. Now make sure you're following the channel. Right, so this video was already made 9 days ago, and I've been just influencing you back to back ever since then that BONK has this move probably coming in the future. Today finally it happened, but if you stretch to that to the length of that video, there was a future move that I probably even talked about, and I don't know if I said it in the video here or something like that. No, I didn't, but I'm actually going to tell you in this video. And look at that. Okay, finally look at that. Even in yesterday's video I kind of gave you this break coming soon in the next 3 days, but it happened yesterday and you moved to the downside. People are wondering what's the scenario that you were about to talk about. Well, the scenario that I wanted to talk about was that you may just have a break like this and then go down, or break below, go up. Actually, how the break happens when you are in a triangle. So BONK is down and we are sitting here. What I'm going to do is remove all the drawings and let's start fresh, because I want to draw a fib retracement from there all the way up here, and let's talk about this 786 as your next big little support right there. So 0.786. Or if I turn on the log scale, we probably may even say that I kind of think that the log scale works better with the fibs. I'm going to take the fib again, so from there all the way up here, look where you are. Yeah, actually it's pretty much the same. So 786 is going to be one big hell of a support, and also keep in mind that that's where you have a trend line going on in here. So if we draw this little bit of resistance that you broke out of, that is going to act as a very big support. 786 is your next big support. If you start to lose this, I think we're going to see. If you lose it, we're going to talk about it in the future. Thing is that on the daily, I want to highlight the EMAs on the daily time frame. So let's bring in the EMAs and let's talk about it. This is a coin that I mean it should be pumping above the 20 as well. Now if you start to lose the 20 and you get this crossover, I've told you this so many times, that if you start to get the cross between 10 and 20, that takes you down to the 55, which is $101,000, right? So you don't see something like boom, boom, and then boom all the way to the downside. And there is a support and resistance that I do notice, and I'm going to tell you right now. So it pretty much looks like BONK had this one certain resistance going on, and it had this little bit of thing going on. Unfortunately, that may look like a descending triangle, and we may see another further drop, right? Now this is going to bother a lot of people, but I'm going to talk about it. This is a descending triangle, and anyone who knows trading, this is a very basic triangle here. And normally meme coins love to make descending triangles. So if things get worse, then again you might be looking for a push down to 91,128. Can it happen? It may happen. The coin has been really pushed up, so there are windows open for that to happen as well. Thing is, we still need a retest. That's going to be up above here at 178,000. So I gave even a stop loss of 178 previously. Now whatever was your support here has turned into resistance. We might see one push, to 170 or maybe 180. That is for the retest. We still need a retest. We're not still going down. We're still not going down, guys. We're still not going down. Thing is that if you end up coming up here and pass, boom, you still continue even higher. But if you end up pumping like this, 180,000, get rejected, boom, all the way down to this technical target of that descending triangle. Simple as that. And that's it for the video, and I'm going to see you in the next one. I love you.